Did you know you can create your own cooperative savings cycle with your members or join an existing cooperative savings cycle in Xend Finance? And because Xend Finance is borderless, you can join a cooperative from anywhere in the world or coordinate with other people around the world to create one. So, how can you save as a cooperative? Navigate to the Cooperative Savings Strategy. Now, connect your MetaMask to Xend Finance. You would need MetaMask on your browser to save and withdraw as a group on Xend Finance. MetaMask is like a personal digital bank to keep cryptocurrencies. Download MetaMask from https://metamask.io on your Google Chrome or Firefox. Here's how to set up your MetaMask. Access the settings on MetaMask. Locate the Add Network in Settings. Input these details in the fields. Save and leave the settings. You would also need to have some BNB and BUSD on your MetaMask wallet. Visit Binance.com to buy BUSD and BNB with your debit or credit card. If you don't have a Binance account, sign up for one. If you already have a Binance account, sign in. Buy BNB and BUSD with your preferred method. Congratulations, you have bought BNB and BUSD. You just need to send it to your digital wallet, MetaMask. Copy your wallet address from MetaMask. Do a withdrawal from Binance to the copied address. Create a cooperative savings cycle. Click on Cooperative Savings. Create a new cooperative savings group. Input your cooperative name and symbol. Specify the maximum members, cycle, start date and end date. Now, you have deposited the first savings in the cycle. Share your cooperative savings group with other cooperative members. Start saving on Xend Finance today to get the best returns on your savings.